Welcome to Custodial Custodians, Hints, Tips, and Tricks, my window cleaning series. And today I'm going to talk to you about doing what I call scheduling text messages. Underneath your messaging, you're able to schedule a text message for another date or time. And what I do is I just get up extra early, and to get back to all my clients, I usually have them text me their information. So I get back to them and schedule them early in the morning and schedule it for, like 7:01, 7:02, 7:03, and so on. This is very convenient because it's hard to get back to all the clients right away, and it starts to get a little overwhelming. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or any ideas for future videos, go ahead and put that in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to tune in for more.